There is a forest where strange sounds begin to echo as soon as the sun sets. People say that once night falls, something can be heard walking between the trees, but no human is ever seen there. Many people claim they have heard whispering voices in that forest, as if something is slowly calling them deeper inside. The most terrifying part is this: those who followed those sounds into the forest never returned. To this day, no one truly knows what happens in that forest at night. If you think you know the truth, tell us in the comments.